One of the most multi-awarded winning actress. We've got Miss Lotlot De Leon. Palakpakan everybody! Ayun. Hi Miss Lotlot, good afternoon. It's nice to see you again.
Yes, nice to see you again. You're looking very fresh.
Thank you so much. You too, ma'am. This time, hindi na po ako nakapalda.
Oh,
Ma'am, how are you this afternoon?
I'm okay, thank God. Yes.
Alright, so previously, we had this kind of conversation then before about your last movie, and medyo curious ako and a bit exciting din at the same time to discover what do you have in your character as of the moment that makes you unique sa movie na to.
Kailangan panoorin nila para
Ayun!
hindi na ako masyadong magkakwento. I hope that everybody, will find time to watch our film and support our film. And syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito at sinusuportahan tayo ngayong araw na to.
Ayun. Eto ma'am, curious lang ako kasi knowing you, multi-awarded actress, like, undeniably, napakagaling. Kasi ako ma'am, I myself is also watching your teleserye before, some of your movies at the same time, so you are really great. So, my question is, ano naman po yung initial reaction you hearing that you will be one of the cast of this kind of masterpiece?
This was a project of our manager, Leo Dominguez. So when Leo told me before na, Lot, we have a project, can you be part of it? Siyempre, yes, hindi ba? Pinagkakatiwalaan ko si Leo, and si Leo talagang alam niya kung ano yung maganda. So siya mismo yung siya mismo yung nagplano, nag-conceptualize ng lahat ng Isla Bubur.
Alright, one last question. How was the experience working with the casts po sa movie na Isla Babuyan?
Saya. Out of town namin to ginawa eh.
Oh.
Oo. So, everything went smoothly, wala namang problema, lahat masarap katrabaho, lahat professional, so tuloy-tuloy lang siya.
Alright, so ma'am, any message to your supporters who one way or another made an effort just to be here supporting you?
Salamat for being here today. Salamat sa suporta. Please spread the word. Isla Babuyan. Showing na po kami soon.
Alright, thank you so much. Everybody, let's all give a round of applause to Miss Lotlot De Leon. Yes. Thank you so much. Ayun. And I believe that you guys are also excited to see who's coming. Everyone, a round of applause to Miss Natalie Hart. Miss Natalie Hart is also known as a...
Sana ma-enjoy niyo po lahat. Thank you po.
Before we speak about the movie itself, let's talk about your outfit today. Kasi gusto ko talaga i-highlight, napaka-sexy mo.
Ay, hindi mo.
I hope I have such vital statistics as yours. May inspiration ba yan outfit mo? And it's just simply Natalie.
Siguro since I have a daughter na, di ba? O kaya pa ni auntie, magpa-sexy. Kaya niya yun. Kaya pa sumabay.